Every day, people are targets of hate speech because they're Muslim, gay, Jewish, a woman, disabled, a Christian, Asian, white, old, Roma, black. Anyone can be a victim of speech that incites intolerance, discrimination, and possibly even violence. It's hate speech, and it's monstrous and unacceptable. But when the unacceptable starts to be accepted on the web, in the media, in political speeches, this insidious monster grows and expands to severely threaten human rights. We must stop hate speech now by monitoring and denouncing violent forms of expression, by educating our communities, and most of all, by treating others with respect. Let's clean the digital streets. Let's face hate speech together. Join forces with the Facing Facts community to confront hate speech.